Donald Trump on Thursday became the first former U.S. president to be convicted of a crime, 34 felony counts of falsifying business records to hide his reimbursement to Cohen for the $130,000 that Cohen had paid to buy the silence of porn star Stormy Daniels before the 2016 election about an alleged sexual encounter that she had had with Trump in 2006. Trump is to be sentenced in July, and addressing reporters, he branded the result a disgrace and rigged, vowing that the real verdict would come from voters on November 5th presidential elections. Now, the conviction does not bar Trump from continuing his White House run, and even in the unlikely event that he is sentenced to prison, Trump is unlikely to face any jail time.
This was a disgrace. This was a rigged trial by a conflicted judge who was corrupt. It's a rigged trial, a disgrace. They wouldn't give us a venue change. We were at 5% or 6% in this district, in this area. This was a rigged, disgraceful trial. The real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people. And they know what happened here, and everybody knows what happened here.
Now that Donald Trump has been convicted, what is next for the former US president? The sentencing is scheduled for July 11. So what to expect from the sentencing? Well, the minimum sentence for falsifying business records is 0. So Trump could receive probation or conditional discharge, or up to 4 years for each of the offenses. Reports suggest that he would likely be ordered to serve the prison time concurrently for each account, which means up to 4 years in total. Experts have said that about 10% of such cases result in imprisonment. There is also a likelihood of Trump being sentenced to home detention. Meanwhile, legal experts have said that a jail sentence is unlikely. On the other hand, reactions are pouring in from across the globe and obviously from the US. Eric Friedman, a US professor of constitutional rights, hailed the judgment in a chat with NDTV and said that Trump was treated like an ordinary US citizen on trial. When asked whether Trump will have the power to overturn the verdict if he is elected president, Professor Friedman said this.
No, he does not. One of the beauties of a federal system is, in fact, that this state conviction is beyond anything he can do about if he should become president of the United States. The president of the United States does not have pardon power over a state conviction, does not have prosecutorial control over it in any way. And so, no, he will have to take his appeals through the judicial system and abide the results. Whether he gets elected president or doesn't get elected president won't alter that.
Now the most pertinent bit. Can a convict run for US president? The US Constitution lists just 3 requirements for presidential candidates. They have to be a natural-born citizen, be at least 35 years old, and a US resident for at least 14 years. All requirements that Trump fulfills.